Hi guys. Good morning USA. Good morning to the Philippines. So, this is me again, Latifina Vlog. Can you guys subscribe on me? So, today we're going to make a demo about uh fresh powder. So, I buy a fresh powder last week. In the store. But anyway, you guys can buy online or eBay or anything, anywhere in the store. So I have this one new, a CoverGirl powder, press powder. This one. So I'm occasionally to use a press powder, mostly it's not all the time that I'm using the press powder, but I like this one because this is my skin tone color for the cover girl. So let's go start. We'll see. You guys gonna go judge what is the uh, result. Okay. So we have already a phone. So this is my skin tone color. I like it. I like it. It's a cover girl. Hey. So this is the cover girl. Powder. First powder. It seems like you don't need to put a foundation for me. I think it's perfect that you don't need to put a foundation. You put this cover. This cover. Yeah. I'm looking more. But so it's powder. I like it because it's like a shimmering of my face. Okay. So I told you guys you can buy anywhere. Mm-hmm. So this is the cover girl. Press powder. And don't forget to subscribe and Latifina blog or comments below if you want more um if you want more suggestion. Thank you. See ya.